Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle. Yes, the last puzzle. Not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday and Sunday, June the 24th and 25th, 5th, 2023. No, in it's the additional of Friday. Yes, the Friday additional, June the 23rd 2023, because in the yesterday's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 0 stars Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 1 star, yes, Tectonic number 6654. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. It's indicated also with 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, let's get started. First question to use. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, so the 1 and the 2, do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes, no. Quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, no. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Right here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Yeah. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. L shape. Only one L shape? Yeah, in this puzzle we have only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of those shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 4. But we already have a 3 here in the area. Same area, so it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. So one box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. Alright. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. Yeah. Well, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there and a double 4 there. If I place a 1 here or 4 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Let me mark those. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. But it can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then. Well, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. And then. Let me think. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for number 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 4. But we already have a 3 here. So it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be there. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Alright, we go up. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.